Hello everyone, I want to bring a health tip to you today. Something that I did this morning that I think needs to be shared is you can do a bath soak in your home first thing when you get up or at night before you go to bed. You're going to put 1/2 cup to 2 cup of Himalayan Pink Salt or baking soda or Epsom Salt and the boron or borax. You can get that at Walmart. It's in the laundry section, laundry detergent. It's actually called a laundry detergent, but it's actually a mineral. So these things can pull, and you can do all 3 of those together or all 4 of those things together. But yeah, it's going to pull these toxins from your body, especially this graphene oxide that we're hearing about that is in the Jaboreee. If you didn't get the Jaboreee and you've had some PCR test, or possibly you had to wear a mask from time to time if you fly, you've had to do these things from time to time. And so this is a great way to detox and pull those things out of your body. You're going to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. I did that this morning because I had woken up. I was sore, muscles were a little tight. I had a headache from the heat running. It's 19, 20 degrees all night in the winter here. It was just running all night long. So my nose was stuffy and dry. My mouth was dry. My eyes were puffy. And I was sore and I had a headache. And within minutes of being in my soak, my headache went away. And so, of course, we had to stay hydrated. If you got the best water on earth, you got to drink it. You still got to drink enough. So keep putting that in your body. And if you don't know about it and want to know about it, I can help you get it in your home. But water is essential to keeping from being dehydrated and inflammation. And inflammation is caused by dehydration, which is the culprit of all disease. So there's your health tip for today. Until next time, stay safe and stay safe and well, and continue to share the information with others because we need each other in these times. So God bless.